Hi, I'm Dr. Brennan Manson with another episode of Research That Matters TV. Researchers have identified inflammation as one of the most beneficial and harmful processes in your body. How is that possible? Acute inflammation is your body's natural repair and healing response to an accident or injury. However, chronic inflammation is a different matter altogether. Many major diseases, including coronary artery disease, diabetes, and cancer, have common causes: chronic inflammation. All the systems in your body are balanced and regulated by hormones and your nervous system. This balance or intelligent design can activate your immune system to fight a cold or heal after a fall, but your lymphocytes keep producing antibodies, and this process can become very, very destructive. The key to good health and reducing inflammation is to making daily lifestyle choices that don't result in a constant state of stress, which is known to be a trigger for chronic inflammation. The decision you can make now will determine your health later. Your body is designed to manage stress effectively. Chronic inflammation only begins as a last resort. We want you to enjoy a healthy, happy lifestyle for decades to come. If you have any questions or you want to reduce your stress, we are here to be your partners in health. Next week I'll be back with another episode of Research That Matters TV. If you have any questions or concerns, call our office at 518-828-3662. Thank you very much. I'm Dr. Brennan Manson again.